So guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jackie, for those of you that are new, and if you are not, welcome back. And if you are, please hit that subscribe button so that way you don't miss out on my new videos, and make sure you check out my old videos so you know what my channel is about and stuff. And yeah, let's get into this video. So guys, today's video is going to be how to refresh your curls, or and I don't know, like, it was supposed to be a pineapple bun, but half of it came off. So today I decided I was doing a hair butter. Yeah, so I think I will be doing some more homemade natural type hair stuff on here for a little bit, because I want to try some stuff. So I'm gonna try to use like some hair butter, like natural hair mask and stuff like that, and for skin also. So I wanted to try making this shea butter hair butter. Shea butter. So I use shea butter, the raw yellow. It's from Africa one. I think it came from Ghana. That's where they got it from. But I don't have it here. But so I use that and honey, because I know that's good for straightening your hairs, to help with breakage and stuff like that. And I put vitamin E oil in there, because I don't have olive oil right now, so I would add that in there too. But I also put coconut oil in there, and I blended everything together. Let me know if you guys want to see that video, and I will upload that video. I had to make let me show you guys. So I have this little thing here that I buy, so when I make like homemade or DIY stuff, I can put in there. But this is what the butter look like. Don't drop, please. This is what the butter, yeah, so this is what the butter look like. So you can see it's like very yellow, yeah, but yeah, it smells like shea butter and honey, and I don't really like honey smell, but it's okay. It's not too bad. But yeah, what else? Yeah, so I'm going to try using this for a while, and then I will let you guys know in my future videos how I like it, and if it's like doing anything, and stuff like that. But I'm sure it will like moisturize my hair with all this butter in there and stuff like that. So let me stop talking and let's get into this video. Let's do this bisection, because I was gonna put this down, but let's start. Guys, this is about to be hard to detangle. You know what? I ain't even about to try to detangle this. So I can't find my you need water. I don't know where my spray bottle is, but let me drink some water. Oh god, I feel like I needed that, so I'm just going to, and if I'm looking over here, it's because the mirror is there, so I want to see what I'm doing, kinda. So I just wet my hair a little bit, not too much, because and I'm gonna also do a little bit of styling in this video, so it might be a little bit long. It might be a little bit long, not too long. But let me show you guys. So this is what the butter look like, and let's see. So yeah, it's very moisturizing, I'll tell you that. So I would just add this to the end of my hair, and I'm going to focus on the ends of my hair with this, and yeah, my hair, guys, look at this, like, hair. I don't know why this is my first time doing a hair butter. I don't know why I never thought about that. I really don't know why I never thought about doing that. Guys, this is hard. This is very hard to do, like, right now, cause how cause I can't really detangle my hair, you know. Yeah, everything is just a mess. See how dry this part is? So we're gonna put a little water, which I'm supposed to be spraying right now, but we don't have that, so I'm just gonna. It's crazy what water can do, guys. You put a little bit of water in that, it's back. Like, you back. Your hair is back like it never left. So yeah, guys, I had to speed through this process. I didn't want to make this video too long because it's already being long already, and I think I'm going to make a part 2 of this so you guys can see the styles that I did, because I don't want to put it in this video because it will be way too long. So I'd rather just make another video you know, edit the other one for that. So I'm gonna do the rest of this off the camera, and you guys are going to see the result soon. Just keep putting it in there, and this came out real good. I was shocked. So this is my hair after I did the other side. Look at those curls, guys. Oh my god. I can't believe myself. Yeah, you see this? I don't know why my hair is growing in this weird shape. Like, half is long and the other half, I don't know what's going on. But thank you guys for watching. I will be uploading the next part 2, and